Hey bros, welcome to White Rock Crypto, your number one resource for cryptocurrency price predictions. My name is Wolf Lopez, and in this video I'm going to share why I think Bitcoin is a sleeping giant and why I think there is huge profits waiting for us in the near future. But before we start, make sure that you smash that like button because that will help with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. This price prediction is made of three parts: past, present, and the future. We're going to cover past, present, and the future because if I just say the future, share my insights about the future and what I think about, it's not going to hold that much value for you. So that's why I would like to do it like past, present, future. This is going to be very crazy valuable video, so make sure that you watch this video till the very end. But quickly before we start here, make sure that you check out my number one recommendation to make money with cryptocurrency. That's the first link in the description. Anyway, let's get going. So let's cover the past here real quick. So I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016. Okay, the markets may look there are a lot of fearful people right now, but in the past, if you look at like what really has happened before these huge run-ups, the fear when the fear reaches certain period of time, certain point, that's the biggest opportunity because people are too fearful to buy here. I remember like throughout 2019 2020, people were very fearful to buy, but those who did, for example, Alex Becker bought like $3,000 per Bitcoin or $5,000, something like that, and at that point everybody was fearful that Bitcoin is going to hit zero. That was the fear, like the biggest point for like the biggest fear. Okay, but that was also the biggest opportunity. So now a lot of people are very fearful. Okay, so I just want to cover that out, that if their markets are dipping like this, usually there can be huge opportunities, and I do believe why that this is a huge opportunity, and I'm going to share it with you in this video, so keep watching. Okay, so now how do we get to this point? So we went from the bear market, the very bullish, over $61,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, that's very crazy, from $3,000 to $61,000 in a very short period of time. That's very insane. Okay, so now we are looking at $31,000, and basically what currently let's cover the present now. So that was the past that I wanted to share with you guys. So now present, people are selling. The people who are selling right now are not the people who basically want to sell. The people who are selling now are the people who need to sell. People who have bought cryptocurrencies because like social proof. They see a lot of people make a lot of money here, so they bought basically the top here, and now those people are selling because they overbought. They bought way too much. Now they had to pay their rents, whatever is the case. But basically the people who are selling now are not the people who want to sell. They're people who need to sell. And when we hit the ceiling of those people who need to sell, then those people who don't want to sell, they are not going to sell at these prices, so they are just going to hold. Okay, and when the sell pressure stops, I believe that it will turn very bullish. And now at this point, I quickly want to say that a lot of people fear the China China news. So basically there has been news that China is banning. There's are always these type of news, but there's like China and Bitcoin mining banning that. But that is a blessing in disguise, because when that happens now, what it does for Bitcoin is it makes Bitcoin even more decentralized, because a lot of Bitcoin miners are from China, if you didn't know. And now as there's these new regulations, Bitcoin mining becomes more decentralized, so it becomes even better. So Bitcoin just becomes even better. Okay, so that's what you also want to understand. So there are two very key things here. So people who are not selling are basically are buying, and people who are selling are people who overbought here, who don't know anything basically. They bought the top and they are now selling. Okay, so basically what they did is buy high and sell low, and the people, smart money here is they basically sold here and now they are buying back in to get in these even lower prices. And what I think about here is that we are going to see something like this. So let's jump into the future, what I think about the market. So what I think, we have gone up like this. Now we are going to cool off. If you have been watching my channel, you've seen that like a couple months ago, I said that I wish that, and I hope that we are going to get some cool off of the markets, because we can't go up like this forever. If we want to go even higher, we have to get these cool downs, and this could be like a mini bear market. In the last, there was the bear market was like many years. Okay, and a lot of people think that bear markets are always very very long. That's not the case. This could be like a mini bear market, and after that we go like even higher. Okay, so I think that we're going to cool off here, and then we are going to top this. I think that the current prices, the $61,000 Bitcoin, is not the top. I think that we are going to cool off, and then we are going to shoot even higher. Okay, in 2021. So that's why I think that Bitcoin is definitely sleeping giant, and I think that the huge profits are waiting. Okay, but a lot of people are going to miss out because I think that they're going to sell too early. Okay, I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, and I've definitely I have sold too early. But I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my insights and things that I have found out that I'm sharing with you guys. And definitely drop a comment down and tell me your Bitcoin price prediction. I would love to hear that. And my Bitcoin price prediction for this bull run cycle is definitely, I would even dare to say $150,000 per Bitcoin. That's, I mean, I know that's crazy, but that could be like the TP top, here. Okay, it could, like, it doesn't last long, but it reaches this and then it crashes. I think that something like that is very possible here. Okay, on this cycle. Now definitely subscribe for more updates. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Okay, and also follow me on Twitter. You can find the links in description. Okay, and I highly recommend you to check out my #1 recommendation to making money with cryptocurrencies. It's insane what you're going to discover once you click that link. It's crazy. Check out that page and you will be amazed. Okay, and then there's also these I'm going to host these, I have been hosting these basically weekly XRP giveaways. So I'm going to give weekly free XRP to somebody who wins, and the amounts just, you know, vary. It's like 20 XRP, 50 XRP, 100 XRP, you know, or whatever what I feel like giving. And yeah, definitely check that out, and yeah, subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. This was White Rock Crypto, and this was Wolf Lopez.